Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 9th, 2024, and we have a packed episode for you, covering the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Crypto.com is in the spotlight as it receives a Wells notice from the US SEC signaling potential enforcement action. The exchange is fighting back with a lawsuit, accusing the SEC of unauthorized regulation by enforcement. This move underscores the ongoing friction between crypto firms and regulators. Crypto.com is also seeking clarity on crypto derivatives regulations, highlighting the broader challenges faced by the industry. South Korea is taking steps to regulate cross-border stablecoin transactions, applying foreign exchange rules to dollar-pegged stablecoins. The Financial Services Commission is working on a legal framework for stablecoins, consulting with international regulators. This follows Japan's regulatory actions and the EU's markets in crypto assets regulation, reflecting a global trend towards tighter crypto oversight. Jupiter Exchange is enhancing its trading platform with new features like instant token trading, customizable settings, and the Alpha Vault for early access. The platform's Swap v3 upgrade aims to improve user experience by addressing challenges in token discovery and slippage settings. Jupiter is also working on a giant unified market initiative to boost liquidity on the Solana blockchain. Alchemy Pay is expanding its reach by integrating its virtual card service with Samsung Pay, allowing users to make crypto payments through the mobile platform. This follows a similar integration with Google Pay, and Alchemy Pay expects increased demand for its services. The company is also working towards full integration with major card networks like Visa and MasterCard. Layer 2 Network. Scroll is launching its SCR token, marking a step towards decentralization. The token will serve as a governance mechanism and evolve into a utility token. A portion of the tokens will be distributed through airdrops, with the first scheduled for October 22nd. Scroll aims to enhance its network's capabilities and governance structure. A report by Olympics highlights that complex crypto wallets are a barrier for gamers engaging with Web3 games. The survey found that many gamers are deterred by the complexity and lack of understanding of Web3 gaming. Efforts are underway to simplify the user experience, with projects like the Open Network working to make crypto interactions more seamless. Security concerns are on the rise, as the symbiotic staking protocol's X account was hacked, promoting a phishing link. Users are warned to avoid interactions with the compromised account. Additionally, HP's Wolf security team reports attackers using SVG files to spread malware, and the Fire token experienced a significant exploit, raising concerns about new tokens with unaudited contracts. Wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC, is facing scrutiny as BitGo partners with ByT Global, raising concerns about centralization. This shift has sparked fears within the crypto community, particularly due to Justin Sun's alleged influence. Meanwhile, TBTC emerges as a decentralized alternative, gaining traction in the DeFi space and offering a trust-minimized model. Ethereum is set to boost its throughput by 50% with the proposed EIP-7781, aiming to reduce block times and enhance transaction processing. The proposal has garnered support from key figures in the Ethereum community and promises to improve the efficiency of decentralized exchanges. This upgrade could significantly enhance Ethereum's transaction speed and efficiency. Tether is working to improve its image in the US as it marks its 10th anniversary. CEO Paolo Ardoino addresses concerns about transparency and the company's reserve assets. Despite criticism, Tether reports significant profits and is investing in emerging technologies. The company is committed to maintaining a reserve that is over-collateralized and is partnering with law enforcement to combat financial crime. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful and informative. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more news and insights from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Until then, stay informed and stay safe.